Hello and welcome back to another video of Shatan Voyages. Today we are excited to introduce a notebook that has all the features you need for work, play and everything in between. The Made in India notebook ULTIMUS by FUTOPIA. So before jumping onto the product, let me tell you something about the brand FUTOPIA. As the brand believes in the perfect state of future, they make smart technology products that transform your lifestyle. Their array of innovation and perfection includes ULTIMUS laptop series and some other product as well, but we are here to unbox the magical product. First, let's talk about connectivity. This notebook comes with an RJ45 port which provides fast, stable and secured internet connectivity. This is perfect for transferring large files or connecting multiple devices to communicate faster. Additionally, this notebook has a Type-C port and a USB-A 3.0 generation port, so you can easily connect a variety of devices. And if you need to display your content on a larger screen, there is a mini HDMI port for easy connectivity. Next, you know what? We have a high resolution 2 megapixel camera that is great for clear and vivid video conferencing. And this is just amazing in this price bracket. And let's suppose you watch lots of movies and stream content. You would definitely fall for a full HD display in a notebook. It has a 15.6 inch screen and provides an immersive view that will make you feel like you are right in the action. Under the hood, it has enough to help you in every case. The laptop is powered by the latest generation Intel Celeron processor, which provides fast and reliable performance that even comes with Windows 11 Home. The lightning fast SSD storage helps in experiencing swiftly smooth multitasking. This laptop boasts lightning fast SSD storage for faster and smoother performance and helps toggling between multiple tabs seamlessly. Additionally, you will get a transforming experience with the 2 stereo speakers with dual mic. It's also worth noting that it comes with a dedicated numeric keypad for those who rely on it for work or study. One of the appealing aspect of the laptop is its silence, clean and cool design. It's perfect for those who need a device that can handle heavy workloads without overheating or making too much noise. Finally, FUTOPIA offers a 1-year on-site warranty, giving you peace of mind and assurance that any issue, even if it may occur and you might encounter, will be taken care of quickly and efficiently. The laptop has 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi. So you also get a portable charger with this laptop which plugs into the power socket and you can carry it easily. The notebook is available in 3 stylish colors: glossy black, cloud silver and space gray. And with a long battery life that lasts up to 8 hours, you will be able to stay connected for a very long time. And productivity throughout the day in most of the situations. The starting price of this laptop is 17,990. You can check Amazon and Flipkart for the product. It's available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can order from there. Overall, this is a great notebook for anyone who needs fast connectivity, clear video calls, and reliable performance. Thanks for watching the video and be sure to check out the link below for more information. See you guys in the next video.